Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Exness to TradingView. Okay, this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. By the way, not all countries, not all, like if you live for example in United States, you will not be able to connect Exness to TradingView. Okay, so just in case you don't know this, it's not allowing you to do that. But what you can do instead is you can use, for example, TradingView chart to recognize the opportunities and open your Exness account and buy the cryptocurrency or whatever you are analyzing on TradingView. Okay, so you can use TradingView for analyzing. Just click on here first. Yeah, by the way, let me show you first for like some countries if it's available for you here to connect Exness. Just click on brokers here in the top right, and you want to scroll down and search here for Exness. Like most of the time it's not going to appear here because it's not available in most countries. Okay, so what you need to do instead, guys, is you want to open here to, like analyze the, you can just like open any, like for any cryptocurrency on TradingView, and you can analyze everything using the TradingView chart. And once you see the opportunity, then you can just go and open your Exness account and buy the cryptocurrency you are analyzing here. Okay, so that's exactly what I would do. Yeah, you can just search here. If you search here for Exness, if you can find it here, make sure to click on all brokers. That's cool, but just seems like it's not available on many countries. Yeah, that's exactly, guys, work around. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and let me know. I reply to everyone, guys. See you guys next video. Drop a like and see you guys next video.